Hello there, my stamping friends. Susan here with Pumpkin Hill Stampers. I wanted to give you a quick show and tell of what's coming next month in my Fun Fold template class. I've got 2 templates each month, and what I do is I share a video where I take you from the beginning to the end of cutting all your supplies and then how to construct the card. Here's the first fold, and then here's the second fold. So one's a little more complicated and one's a little more simpler. So whether you're a beginner or you've been doing this for a while, both can appeal to you. So you can do the digital version of my class, which is just the PDF tutorial I send you by email and then the video link so you can follow along and then do your own crafting. Or if you want to do the kits in the mail, because sometimes I know you like to learn by seeing and doing, you can do the kits in the mail class. So you'll get a pre-made template of one and then the pre-made template of the second one. All the measures are marked. And then in the mail you'll also get a printed PDF of the template instructions, and you get a pre-cut sample kit that you will be able to put together without having to do any of the cutting yourself. So if you're interested in participating in my class, please let me know. Use all the links below and we'll get you taken care of. Stamp with you real soon. Bye-bye.